Hi friends, I'm Yamini Prabhu, and in this video I'm going to explain how I made a profit of about 15,000 rupees in my swing trade last week. So the stock that I made profit in is Gujarat Gas, and that's what I'm going to be discussing in this video. And a lot of people have actually told me, why do you if you have such a strong conviction over your trades, why do you take such small quantity? Okay, because in this video which I had shared a few weeks ago, I had told you how my average profit per trade is only about 3,000 rupees, and a lot of people actually asked me, why do you take such small positions? So the answer for that question is that because I am a very disciplined trader, I size my positions according to the risk I can afford to take. So friends, on that note, I want you to understand that the situation for me is actually changing, wherein I can afford to take a little bit bigger risks. So in this trade, I was able to make about 15,000 rupees of profit, and in this video, I'm going to explain the exact journey I went through to achieve this kind of earnings from my swing trade. So friends, before we get started, I want to remind you of a few things. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel because I make videos on technical analysis and swing trading especially. So if you want to learn swing trading, this channel will be very useful for you. So if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel. Okay. Number 2 is, if you want to join my Telegram channel, I have a Telegram channel in which I share my trades. So if you want to take swing trades along with me, then you can join the Telegram channel. It's totally free. So that's the 2 things I wanted to tell you. Now let's get into the video. So friends, as you can see, I have the chart of Gujarat Gas over here, and as you know, the strategy I use is a momentum based strategy. I do not trade breakouts, friends. I keep looking for breakouts to understand price action, but I don't trade based on breakout. I trade using a strategy in which I identify momentum before it actually starts to pick up. What I did was I saw this pattern over here, the candlestick pattern, which is a piercing pattern. So what I did was I took an entry over here. So I don't trade only based on candlesticks, and you should not too. So I entered over here at 671. My call was, I thought it will go to 715 to 720. Okay, so that was my target, and as you can see, I waited many days. So the exact number of days I waited was 15 trading sessions, which was 21 days. Okay, and there was no move. So I was very upset. This trade was really bothering me because it was not going higher. It made some highs. It went to 686 one day, 690 one day, 693 one day. But then it did not go to 715, which was my target. Eventually one day on the 22nd day, 16th trading session, it gave a break out. There was a very good push in the momentum, and it went to 716, which kind of reached my target. But by then I had lost my patience in this trade, and what I did was I exited at 705. Okay, so I exited at 705, and after I exited, it continued to go higher to 716, reaching my target. So you can imagine how I would have felt, right? So I did not feel good. So what I did was, I wanted to understand if there was more potential on the upside. So I checked the open interest of the stock, and it had some potential. So I kind of had a conviction that it had the potential to go up to 800. So what I did was I took another entry over here on the very next day at this doji candle. So I entered at 717. So that's where I re-entered into this trade. I have shared these calls along with stop loss and targets in my swing advisory Telegram channel. And as you can see, it went up to 740. okay, but I did not book my profit at 740 because I had a much stronger conviction. My conviction was it should go to at least 760. Even if it is not going to 800, it should go at least to 760. That was my conviction. But what happened the next day was it started to fall and it went below my stop loss level, but I did not exit. Most people put stop loss as an order in their trading platform and they wait for it to get hit. What I do is I put it in my Excel sheet. Okay, so in my Excel sheet I know where the stop loss is. If the stock goes below 700, then it means my stop loss has been hit. Okay, but on this day you can see it went up to 688. So my stop loss level was hit, but my conviction was not hit. On the next day what happened was it went higher, and I knew this stock was trending up and there was still a very good momentum left in this stock. So what I did was I re-entered over here at 704. Okay, at 704 I re-entered, friends, and as you can see it gave a very good move. It made a high of 786 and I exited most of my shares at 784 and the rest of my shares at 770, and I exited this trade making a profit of about 15,000 rupees overall. Okay, so now let me tell you how many shares I bought at which level. So when I entered, I bought about 100 shares. Based on the risk I can afford, I took a position size of only 100 shares and I entered, and I exited those 100 shares at 705 over here. Okay, next what happened was I added more shares at 716. I re-entered at 716, 717 level. So at this time, you know what I did? I did something very interesting. Okay, I did not want to take a very big risk, even though this was a matter of my ego, even though this was a matter of desire to make money, which is greed. So this was a matter of my money. Okay, so what I did was I took a very small risk. So I bought only 40 shares. So what I told myself was, if it goes higher, and which means it will definitely come down to take support. Stocks are never going to keep on going up. Okay, it will always come down. So if it is going to go higher, if it comes down, I will add more shares to it, even if it is a matter of me compromising some of my profit. So what happened was eventually it did not go to 760 or 800 as I wanted it to go to. Rather, it came down at 704. I knew there was very good momentum and a very good support. So what I did was I added 150 shares. I took a bigger risk over here because my stop loss is much lesser over here, and it eventually paid off. So over here I bought 50 shares, and over here I bought 150 shares, totally 200 shares. So over here I exited about 100 shares, and over here at 770 I exited the remaining 100 shares. So this is how I was able to book a profit of about 15,000 rupees in this one single stock, friends, and this happened in a period of just 2 weeks. So it was pretty good. And if you want to learn how to take these kind of trades, you can reach out to me. I will teach you my momentum strategy and my swing trading system. You can learn a very good trading system. This will be very, very useful if you are a working professional, especially because you don't have to spend a lot of time to do this type of trading. So this will be very useful for you if you're a working professional. Even otherwise, it will be super useful for you if you have a capital of over 1 lakh rupees, friends. So friends, this video, I hope you like this video and hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video and if you like this type of content, please let me know by liking this video and leaving a comment about what you think. And if you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again with another video on swing trading. Until then, take care, friends. Bye bye.